Hello everyone, I thought I would do a quick tutorial about this poster assignment right here. So here is the poster assignment, and I have the directions in a Google Doc, and then I have a sample of what the assignment should sort of look like. So the poster activity assignment is basically for you to use Google Drawing, which some of you may or may not have used before, to create a poster to help you memorize the accounting formula and the accounting classifications of assets, liabilities, and owner's equity. Be creative, use colors, shapes, fonts, different fonts, pictures, etc. So here's our accounting formula that we should know by now. Assets equals liabilities plus owner's equity. I've listed the assets that we have from our chapter 1 that are very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. We have 2 liabilities. Remember, liabilities must begin with the words accounts payable and then the name of the company we owe money to. And then the owner's equity, which in this case is just going to be the name of the owner in capital and the name of the owner drawing. So I am going to go into my drive, and then I'm going to go to new, and you scroll down here to more, and you'll see here Google Drawings. So you're going to open up a drawing document, and it's basically a blank template that you can make like a little online poster. So you can do things like insert a text box, and then you get the little cross and you just click and drag, and then it gives you a text box. Once you have a text box, you can change the font to whatever you want. You can change the size of the font. You can change the color of the font that you're using, whatever you want to do. You can, I believe, click and you can fill the color of the box and so forth. So you can make different text boxes and different things like that. If you don't like it, click, hit the delete button, and it's gone. You can also insert a shape, and you have various shapes here. So if you wanted to do like a rounded rectangle, again, get the cross, click and drag, and then it automatically has a text box in it. The thing is, it will type in the center, so if you want to change that, you go to your alignment button up here, and you can click on this little arrow, and it makes it to the top, center, bottom, and so forth. So this is how you would get the words to bounce at the top. It automatically highlights in this blue in the center, so if you don't like the blue, again, you can change the color of that to anything that you want. Change the size of the font and so forth. The other thing that's kind of cool in here with the shape is you have the equation. So that's how I got my plus and my equals when I show you my sample here. You also have word art. So with word art, you can make something look fancy. And again, you can do that. You can change the color, the font, the different things like that. To insert a picture, you go to Insert Image. You can search the web. Once you do that, any of the pictures that you get in here you're allowed to use. So let's say you want money. You can find pictures of money. Click on the image that you like, hit Insert, and it takes a second, and sometimes it comes out real big. Just drag it from the corners to make it big or small. So here it's basically, you're going to create a one-page poster, and I'll go back to mine. This is what mine ended up looking like. You can add pictures. I did a little scale here to show that this accounting equation must be in balance. I defined what an asset and a liability is just to help me remember. Here's my assets, my liabilities, and my owner's equity. So just anyway, you could probably be way more creative than I am, or not, whatever you prefer, but this is going to be kind of a helpful tool for you to memorize these different things that we need to know that will carry us on for the first 8 chapters of our book. Let me know if you have any questions. Once you're done, that this is what you will upload and turn in for this assignment right here. I don't have a due date posted yet, but I will once we get started here. All right, that's it. Let me know if you have any questions.